You want to see my burnt bread?
Yeah.
This is how I roll right here. My cooking.
What happened?
Huh? I don't know. I don't know. That was the toaster's fault.
The toaster, huh?
Yeah.
Are you sure you want to handle all those?
Are you sure you want me to handle those?
I don't want them burned, you know?
How's the chance I'm gonna take? You're gonna eat them anyway.
Mm-mm.
You will. Even if it's just for pity. I know you will.
No, I'm not.
You're not?
Mm-mm.
You're not?
No.